Greetings, classmates. Connor here. This week is the immigration media analysis, and immigration is such a major topic around the globe. It's a major topic of discussion, societal topic, and so I was excited for this week to come up with some ethical principles that we can use when reporting on journalism, and just reading some more about it. So I came up with four ethical principles. The first one I chose is to use terminology correctly, and it's kind of a piggyback off of what the book wrote, but just taking it a little bit further. So when you're talking about something or writing about something as serious as immigration, just making sure that you're using the correct terms and you're using them correctly. The book did a good job of highlighting this by saying not using the term alien or using illegal as a noun. But if you use the wrong word, or if you use the right word incorrectly, or you use the wrong word at the wrong time, it can really change the story as a whole. So when you're using terms such as deportation, documented versus undocumented, illegal versus legal, integration versus assimilation, just making sure that you're using all of these terms correctly, and knowing the full definition of all these terms. My next point was to just remember that America is built on immigration. People, since America's foundation, have come from all over the globe, from multiple cultures, and just maintaining that we as a nation are built on immigration. Without any of the groups of people, we wouldn't be where we are. And so, just keeping that in the back of our mind, there's really no such thing as purely American. Um, it's the interweaving of multiple cultures and people from various backgrounds that make America what it is. My next point would be do your research. Do your research and hear stories before making decisions or assumptions. So, um, people. Everybody has their own story. My fiance is from Germany and she came to America for 5 years. She never obtained citizenship, but she got her green card. Um, and just if you see them on the street, you might not know that they're from Germany or whatever. So, or any other country in the world. So before you make decisions about immigration or make assumptions about immigration, just make sure you look at the numbers. Make sure you're looking at what people are doing, and yeah. So for my last ethical principle, it'd be do not group terms such as immigration or immigrants all into one thing. This immigration is such a broad concept. It can be skilled workers, unskilled workers, people just wanting a new life, people wanting a fresh start, people wanting to get away from oppressive regimes, people who may not speak English, people who may be fluent in English. That's what makes America so cool, is that this melting pot of multiple cultures can bring people from all over the globe. So don't just put, oh, they're an immigrant. That they're still a person, regardless if they're half fluent in English or fluent in English. Don't just group them all into one thing. So those are my ethical principles.